Little storyteller.
Lily skipped into the sunny park, her fluffy bunny, Snowdrop, bouncing beside her. Today was paper airplane day. Lily held a stack of colorful paper ready for fun. Nearby sat a big, blue dustbin, with friendly, googly eyes. It had a slot on top, like a little mouth. As Lily crumpled a paper ball to throw away, the dustbin wiggled and made a grumpy rumble. Snowdrop's nose twitched. A little see-through figure floated above the dustbin. He wore goggles and a scarf that fluttered in the gentle breeze. "Achoo!" he sneezed, a puff of glittery dust appearing. "Only perfectly folded paper airplanes for my aerodynamic receptacle," he said with a cheerful smile. Lily giggled. She carefully folded a bright red paper into an airplane. She launched it towards the blue dustbin. It soared through the air and landed neatly inside the slot. The dustbin blinked its googly eyes happily and made a soft purr. Lily folded a yellow airplane, then a blue one, and even a sparkly silver one. Each time, they flew perfectly into the happy dustbin. The little engineer ghost clapped his see-through hands. "Wonderful flying," he cheered. Snowdrop watched, her pink nose twitching with amusement. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, Lily had only one piece of paper left. It was a bit crinkled. She tried to fold it neatly, but it wasn't perfect. The edges were wobbly. She gently tossed it towards the dustbin. The airplane wobbled in the air and landed slightly askew in the dustbin. The dustbin didn't rumble. Instead, the little engineer ghost floated closer to Lily. "It's okay," he smiled kindly. "Even if it's not perfect, it still made its way home." The dustbin gave a soft, happy sigh. Lily learned that day that trying your best is what really matters, and even wobbly things can find their place. The little engineer ghost added, "Did you know that paper airplanes fly because of the shape of their wings? The air pushes them up and helps them glide." Lily smiled, holding Snowdrop close. Learning new things was always a fun adventure.
Please subscribe. Thank you.